Hey guys, so what we got here is one of the two Canarm P-36 ceiling fans that I got off Facebook Marketplace. Um, the other one is right there. I'll be testing that one after I test this one. So yeah, this fan is from 1991 and it's on a long down rod. I've seen these on long down rods in some places. So yeah, these are kind of spinner fans I've been wanting, and I found there were two I found, and I wanted to get one. So yeah, I found these two. So yeah. Anyways, without any further ado, let's begin it on low. This fan has a nice low speed. It does make some humming noise. It does sound like it has some bearing noise as well. Can feel a bit of a breeze from it on low speed. Anyways, here's medium. It does wobble a lot on medium. You can actually hear the ball socket bumping on the lower part of the canopy. And it starts to hum a bit louder on medium, and I can already hear the bearing noise. So yeah, I can even feel the breeze from here. Anyways, here it is on high. Yeah, the wobbling noise starts to go away on high. It wobbles, I would say it wobbles a bit less on high, but you can see by the pull chain, the speed pull chain is shaking because of the wobble. I can already feel a lot of air from this fan. Oh yeah, this thing moves a lot of air. Anyways, we'll do spin down and then reverse. All right, time for reverse. Oh, and also the reverse pull chain. Sadly, the nut that would go there has broken off because the thing there where it would twist into has broke. So it can't get in there, sadly. Anyways, I'll pull a chain for reverse. There we go. And I'll start on high with reverse. I think it actually wobbles a bit more on high on reverse. Yeah, it looks like the speed pull chain shakes a lot more. All right, medium. Oh yeah, and you hear that noise on medium from the wobble. It's coming from the canopy. The ball socket is hitting the lower part of the canopy. Actually, it's gotten a lot quieter. Sounds like it's quieter on medium, on reverse. Yeah, I can really hear the bearing noise. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but yeah, you can really hear the bearing noise. All right, here's low. Oh yeah, something I wanted to mention. Hobby Central has a Canarm P-36 like this one, but his is on a short down rod. However, the pull chains were mixed up. The speed pull chain was for reverse, and the reverse pull chain was for the speeds. But on this one, it is not mixed up. So I guess the previous owner of his fan probably got the pull chains mixed up. So, yeah. All right. Now turn it off. So I won't be able to show you on this fan because I don't want to get up on a ladder and show you the stickers. However, the same stickers are on this one as well. So I'll show you the stickers on this one. There's the sticker right there. There it is again. There it is again in French. Sticker there. Oh, come on. Will it focus? Focus, please. Thank you. QC. Guess that's Quebec. That stands for. And yeah, it says here 0791. So yeah. So this fan is from 1991. I guess from okay, yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to think of the month. Yeah, oh yes, I think, yeah, from July 1991. This fan is from. Yeah, I think that's all the stickers. Yes, that's all the stickers. The same stickers are on this one as well. So, yeah. So anyways, um, so I'll be doing a video of this one as well. I hope this one will work as good as this one. So yeah, stay tuned for a video of this fan. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.